Welcome guys back to the yard. As you can see, we're at the abandoned flip. Yeah, we are here at the abandoned flip, guys. And yes, it's a mess in here. It is. It's a mess. So I'm just coming here to see some things. I know you guys have been doing this for years, coming to see some things, say I'm going to fix things, say I'm going to do this, say I'm going to do that, but haven't done anything yet, right? Well, you're not wrong. You're not wrong, guys. I have been slacking, and that's no joke. I have been slacking. And if I don't hurry up and do something, I'm just going to let it go, guys, because what good to have something if you're not going to do nothing with it, right? Look at it. It's not getting better. But it's so hard to find good people to come, do their job, they always, I don't know, people are weird, See, some people are just weird. Basement, scary down there, very scary. Yeah, okay, but yeah, I gotta do something. I already told you in the last video. If I don't, it's gone. I'm gonna have to let it go anyway. I have to just let it go. Look at that. You see that big hole in the floor? Look at that. If I walk over there, guys, I will go through the floor. If I walk anywhere over here, especially over here, I will go through the floor. Over here, I may go through the floor. Right here, I think I'm good. Maybe not. But you won't catch me walking on this. Originally, I was going to just tear this thing down back here. Let's rip this thing off, get rid of it. And a lot of people keep telling me that's a lot of square footage that'll be gone if you do that, right? And then I thought about it. If I do that, then I also gotta take all this crap to the landfill too. I ain't worried about the wood. The wood ain't the problem. It's the brick. See, the foundation is all that brick. Brick is very heavy, and it'll cost a lot more. But brick also don't rot up or nothing either, so probably can keep the brick. Probably can keep the brick. You see? Why do I see light up there? Man, Lord. I should have had my dad come up here a while ago, but now he's under the weather, so I don't think he will be doing this roof, guys. So I gotta find someone else. Oh Lord, should I just give it up, guys? Should I give it up? Should I? I already said if I don't do it if I don't start on this thing this winter and get it looking a lot better than what it is, then I might as well give it up, guys. Might as well just give it up. I might as well just give it up. And that's not a good thing for me. You see, that's not good for me. You see, if I can get 75, 80,000, I'll be okay with it. I'll be okay with letting it go, guys. But I have to get about that much. to let this go. I gotta get at least 75, 80,000 guys to let it go, you see? But anyways, what I came here to do today, I don't think I'm gonna knock this sucker down right now, but I do think it's worth closing it up back here though. Closing most of this up. Probably just leave this opening right here. Yeah? Close all of this up over here. Board it up over here. And just leave just one opening right here. And from this side, board it up. And when I want to go back here, when I want to come back here to look at all this mess, then I'll just unboard it. Because I already figured I got to go down here and replace all of these flow joists. I got to place all these flow joists in here. I can sister them with the ones that's already there. You see? We're going to sister them. But I'm going to put pressure treated. I shouldn't, they say you shouldn't put pressure treated in certain areas, right? But scratch that. I'm doing it. I'm putting pressure treated lumber under this floor, sistering against the one that's already there. Then we can walk on it. Well, we can put boards on top of the boards here, walk on it. Then we can sister these ones up here, right? Make sure that back wall is steady and strong still. If not, build it up and make it strong. You see? Then rip most of the sheeting up here off and replace it. That's the key. That's what needs to be done. Right? That's what needs to be done. And then after that gets done, then we got to find a roofer. Got to find a roofer. You see? We have to find a roofer. That's a must. Okay? I want somebody, because I already got the shingles. So, because I already got the shingles, I think I'm willing to pay for somebody to put a new roof on here. Not what I'm willing to pay. The budget is going to be. The budget is going to be $7,000 to put a new roof on this whole house. $7,000. That's it. You know, because I already got the shingles. So the only thing they have to do is do the labor, right? Just have to do the labor. You see, I don't know. But that's the goal. If I don't complete that goal, at least complete that goal. Getting all this thing done back here. If I don't complete that, I might call it, guys. I might just call it and say, hey, on the market for sale. If I don't complete this, at least this. Right? I gotta complete that. All right? I gotta get that done. Gotta get at least that. Because I'm wasting my time, you know. I'm wasting my time, literally. So that's what I'm gonna do today here. I'm gonna board up some back here. I only got a few hours to do it. So I only got a few hours to do it. So come here. Boom. Stop here. Could be anywhere. It can be here. I can nail it. It can come all the way. No, we can't come all the way here. We gotta come half of this board, I guess, to be good. That wall and down there to right here where my finger is. Up and down. First one's to do what? 4 feet. Then I gotta, oh Lord, did I broke my hammer because I see nails in this wood that needs to come out. All right, guys. this is the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. When we're back in the yard. It could be any of the yards, I don't know. But that is the end of the video. But if I do this today, if I decide to do this today, I'll come back. And that won't be the end, okay? Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.